Hey guys, this is Robert. Here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have VESA camera mounts for your monitor. So this sits on top of your monitor. There's the parts, instructions on how to set it up, and the brand. This is great for your using a streaming setup or something. Put multiple cameras on. So here's one plates. And then here's where you mount it, I think. So you can position the camera here, here, here. Your accessories. So here we have various screws, bolts. Mounts. Some ball mounts here. There you go. If you're interested, oh, and that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.